Hi everyone, this is Charles Lee with Leewi Farms. Today I'm here to present to you another unboxing videos of the cuttings I received. This is a package that I received from Three Lucky Mountains from the Philippines. It took almost 2 weeks or roughly 15 days to arrive here in Los Angeles. So I'm just very excited to be able to open this box with you guys together and to show you what cuttings I have ordered. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started with opening the box. I'm going to save this packing slip for my future reference. Thank you so much for Three Lucky Mountains. A very well package of this box is well sealed and taped all over. So here we have, these are the cuttings which I ordered. So let's see what we got. I told Three Lucky Mountains to nicely wrap each and every cuttings just so that during the traveling, the cuttings would not interfere with each other. You know, the vines will sometimes damage each other. So this way, all the cuttings that I order, they are well protected. So let's see. This is a blue variety. Dragon fruit variety is blue. This is a hybrid. It's fairly new though. We have QOTM, which stands for Queen of the Morning. This is by far the one and only dragon fruit variety the flower open during daytime. I'm very excited to grow this variety here in Los Angeles. QOTM. Here we have Orange Grenade. This is a orange skin dragon fruit. It's a good size dragon fruit, very sweet variety. Orange Grenade. I ordered another Queen of the Morning, QOTM. So I have 2 of them. So let's put this together. Very healthy and very mature cuttings. Love it. Here we have Orange Princess. Orange Princess. It's also a fairly new variety from Three Lucky Mountains. Alright, this is also another exciting variety. It's called Bolivian Yellow. It's called Bolivian Yellow. It's fruits. It's a yellow, but it's kind of a round shape. Very, very sweet megalentus yellow variety from Bolivia. This is a shoot sitting on top of it, so I have another nice and extra one for grafting. I ordered another blue variety because this is an exciting, interesting variety, blue, so I would like to have 2 of them. This is the last one. I want this variety for a long time, and finally I have it. This is Tutti Frutti, the Tutti Frutti variety. Can't wait to grow this variety here. So here we go, you guys. These are all the varieties I ordered from Three Lucky Mountains. Can't wait to grow this, and hopefully in the very near future I can propagate this variety And Leewi Farms is here to offer many dragon fruit varieties to serve your needs. So stay tuned, stay in touch, and hope you guys have a wonderful day. Happy growing, and cheers!